Today we're going to take a look at Grizzly.fi. Just launched today. I'm going to look at how it's similar to Beefy Finance and how it differs. It looks like a really cool platform. So let's get into it right now. Welcome back to APY Guy Crypto and DeFi, where I try to bring you the best projects and information in the crypto space. If you like crypto and decentralized finance, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. So if we take a look at the platform, they're trying to make this the easiest DeFi experience possible. It shows down here to build the most user-friendly, secure, and profitable liquidity mining aggregator. Grizzly.fi created the following highlight features that will transform the DeFi space into a better and more accessible place. One-click invest, optimize returns, and a hub of liquidity mining with profitable pools from your favorite providers. And they're showing a bunch of different providers here for what they're doing. And then if we kind of look down here to get a couple of the constant buy side pressure, up to 70% of all profits generated by the Grizzly strategy are used to buy back the GHNY to G Honey token on the open market, thus creating a constant buy side pressure, which is cool. And then it says stake the Honey token and receive BNB. That's cool. And then earn from institutional investors. GFI creates a gateway to traditional finance, and the performance fee charged from institutional investors goes towards GHNY stakers as reward. And then dynamic honey creation. Tokens only get minted when profits are generated on the platform. How much honey is being minted is determined by the bee efficiency level. So they're trying to keep it from being oversaturated with tokens by only minting when necessary. So that's kind of an overview of what they're doing. Now let's go to the actual app, and there is a referral program, so I'll put the link in the description of the video. I'd really appreciate it if you do get into it to use that referral. It would really help me out and help the channel out. And if we look down here, I have not gotten in yet. I'm going to actually do my first transaction on this video. If we look at add hives, the ones they currently have now are all stablecoin pairs. So they got USDC, BUSD, USDC and Tether, DAI and BUSD, and then Tether and BUSD. I think the one I'm going to get into is the USDC Tether pair. It's paying on 32.68% APY. Now, if we click on where it says invest, they have different strategies. So they have a stable strategy, which basically just reinvests the APY or the rewards back into more stablecoin. There's a standard strategy, which it creates a daily compound effect, and then part of the rewards are compensated in the G Honey token. And then there's the Grizzly strategy, which majority of the rewards are paid out in G Honey. So I think, I'm not sure, it doesn't say a percentage, but I think almost all of it would get paid out in the Honey token. Now, if we look here, yeah, these are the ones that are going to be mixed hives. They don't have these yet. The only one they do, okay, they do have this, the BUSD BNB pair. And that one's paying out at 116%. And then I guess these are future. Okay, it looks like actually you can invest in these. Before, when I was looking, it said, oh, coming soon. Never mind. So these are coming soon. This one is, you can invest in this one currently. And then there's going to be single asset highs as well. So those they'll either compound themselves into more stablecoin or more of whatever the pair is, like the same as what like Beefy does, except for there's another component. So they have this honeypot where you can stake your G Honey tokens and get a ridiculous APY. So this is 9,150%. And then it says the honeypot is the place where smart grizzlies stake their G honey to earn BNBs and more G honey. So you stake your honey, and then you get BNB, and you get more honey tokens. So that's a cool option. Okay, so let's take a look at the chart real quick. It's just a few hours old, but the thing I'm looking at is there's a bunch of people that got in the pre-sale, and they paid $65 a token, and it's at $235. So I'm being really careful about this, and I'm not gonna jump in and buy this honey token yet. I think there's gonna be some people dumping. There has to be. I haven't seen exactly how they're gonna unlock the tokens, if they're all unlocked at once or if they're gradually unlocked. I'm gonna try to figure that out, but I'm still not gonna jump into this right away. I think I'm gonna see how it goes for a while, because usually you get a big pump up, and then it'll kind of work its way back down and find a real good base. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take, when I do the hive, I'm gonna do the Grizzly strategy to get the most honey out of the rewards as possible. So that's the way I'm gonna work that. Okay, so we had to approve a transaction to switch from the standard strategy to the Grizzly strategy. When I did that, it shows crazy APY. It's 11,767. When I was researching it, it did say that they were going to print up a bunch of these honey tokens to start. So that's definitely a good thing to do, is not buy the honey token now, is to just farm it and then get it that way. So I'm going to just do one transaction. I'm going to do the USDC USDT tether pair, and I'm going to do, let's see, I'll just do 0.1 BNB, because it's a one-step process. That's what they're trying to make it as easy as possible. So it's saying that it's 11,715% APY, and then I would say yearly income $3,785. Okay, so this isn't going to last forever. This is going to be like short term, but this could build up some honey tokens for us. So if we hit 0.1, we hit invest. Let's see what happens. I'm doing this in real time again. We're going to confirm, and we're going to have to pay a gas fee. And we'll see how long this takes. That was very quick. And then let's see what happens here. Transaction finished. And then let's look and see what the details are. It says active. History coming soon. So I guess we're good. I'm not sure where the rewards are going to show here. Let's see. Okay, up here. There we go. It says your hives. So on the top portion, it's going to say your hives. And then it's got the APY, and it's got how much we staked. I only deposited $30. And then it tells the strategy. This is a real nice platform. It's really nice and clean, and they got a lot of detail to it. So what will happen is once we get our rewards, then we can stake it in the honeypot. I believe that's the way it's going to work, unless it transfers automatically. But we won't know until I earn some. But this is really cool to start. They're giving these huge APYs. So this is going to really benefit people that get in early. So yeah, I'm going to get this video out as soon as possible so you can check it out and get in if you want to. Okay, we'll let this ride for a few days and see how much honey we accrue. And I definitely need to go through all the projects that we've gotten into and do like an overview video. They've all been doing really well. It's just every project so far that I've covered is done really well. So we'll take a look at that. If you want to get into this, like I said, I'll leave the referral code in the description of the video, so you can use that if you want to. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.